Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your current Sweet Adeline's Region 31 silver medalists, Labs 2018 bronze medalists, and now your Labs 2019 gold medal winning quartet, Jen, Suze, Bev and Sarah, Sound Central.
That's all, that's it. I ain't jealous of that shit hanging around with don't pay no mind. And I'm telling you one more time, you don't have you shouldn't love nobody but me. That's all, that's right. Breaking down, babies, don't mind my heart won't lie. I'm gonna tell you one more time. You don't, you won't, no way. I say you didn't, you doesn't, you isn't, you wasn't, you wouldn't, you couldn't, you ought, you shouldn't love nobody but me. Love nobody but me. You gotta go and love nobody but me. Oh yeah. One more time, tell you one more time, I'm telling you one more time, tell you one more time. Now apparently, aww. Whoa. Oh, I can do it. Hello. So, hello. This is very strange. I can't see anybody. So, what a great stage to sing on. That was great, wasn't it? Yeah. I like that. So, what a competition. What a competition. I mean, the standard at the minute is outstanding, and we are unbelievably proud to be your 2019 champion. So I have the job of trying to remember all of the names for the thank yous. So apologies if I get it wrong. They are constant. So we want to say a huge thank you a lot. And without them, we wouldn't be where we are. So thank you so much. We had the privilege at Labs prelims of being coached by Debbie Cox and Paula Taylor-Williams. And that was fantastic. What an opportunity. And Doug Harrington as well. Fantastic coaching. Thank you very, very much. And Emma Shanks. Yay! We love you. So we're very privileged to have all these wonderful people to coach us, and they are our friends as well, so it's great. We want to say a huge thank you as well to Labs, because the organisation is just fantastic. It's so supportive, and it's so much fun competing because you just feel like everyone wants you to do well, and it's fantastic. What else was I going to say? Oh,
you were going to thank Avalon.
Oh yeah, of course. Of course. So thank you to Avalon for looking after us yesterday, because we were sort of wandering around not knowing what was going on. And thank you for these fantastic crowns. They're very snazzy. And hello. Hello.
I think you've forgotten about me.
I would never forget about you. What's going on?
My bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Sarah's got a bit.
I've got a bit.
She's got a thing.
But no, what it is, I'm not just a singer. I do have another talent, another hidden talent. And I thought, while we were in Wales, I would like to showcase that talent. We've had such a lovely time in Llandudno that I thought I would like to give something back to the Welsh people. And it's basically, I can say the longest word in Welsh.
I think that deserves a drum roll.
I can do it. So if I could get a drum roll, please. It's a train station, if anybody doesn't know. Drum roll, please.
It's a village, apparently.
Okay. That's where the train stops.
Yeah.
Of course it's a village. I knew that. Can we have the drum roll again, please? Go.
Milking it now. You're demanding.
I know. Clanfaeth pwth gwingeth go geris cwendrobl clantysilio go go goch.
Okay. In the spotlight back over here. Who knew? Who knew? Such talent. So we are going to sing 2 more songs to you now. We're going to sing our semi-finals package because we've only got to do it once and we worked really hard on them and we kind of like them. So we hope that you enjoy them and we hope that you enjoy the rest of the show and we will see you in the bar later.
Somebody say cheat then.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it is actually, yeah.
How did you know? It's over now. You walk away after goodbye. There's nothing left to say. How could I miss by so much? Did I finally lose my touch? Or simply lose my way? Next time my love won't be too soon. Next time I fall, I'll fall beneath a kinder moon. And should that moon turn cold and fade away, I'll feel the cheek, but still I'll stay. Next time I love, little prayer, compromise, little time to grow a little wise. And should he ask me for more, will I foolishly close the door? Or simply close my eyes? Next time my love won't be too soon. Next time I fall, I'll fall beneath
it's your birthday, I don't know what to do. I can't give you a Thunderbird or a penthouse with a view. Can't even buy a little present, I'm much too broke, I find. But there is one way I can save the day, and I hope that you don't mind that. I can't give you anything but love, baby, baby of mine. That's the only thing I've plenty of, baby. Dream a while, scheme a while, we're sure to find. We'll find some happiness, and I guess there's all those things you've always pined for. Gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby, baby of mine. Diamond bracelets Woolworth doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby, I can't give you anything but love. Now, even though it's 3 below, let's just enjoy the storm, baby. We've got love to keep us so warm. I wish you a happy birthday, baby, even though I'm poor. But if you'll agree to marry me, who could ask for anything more? Oh, gee, I'd like to see you looking swell, baby, baby of mine. Diamond bracelets Woolworth doesn't sell, baby. Till that lucky day, you know darn well, baby, I can't give you anything. I'm in love, I can't buy love. I can't give you anything. She loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. I can't give you anything. All you need is love.